More details are emerging this evening about an explosion in Kensington, Portland. The incident, which happened yesterday, resulted in damage to nearby houses and a church. TVJ's Janella Pursues has details.
On the face of it, this looks like the result of a demolition exercise, but it isn't.
It sounds like a boom to me, like something explodes. Like, you know, like when the electrical pan kick off. That sound here, you know.
The sound of the explosion caused many to run for cover, including the 35 children attending vacation Bible school at the Kensington Methodist Church. The impact, we were told, was equally frightening.
The place was shaking. We began to run to the exit, and there were glass flying, and it looked like zinc at the time were flying. And then I recalled the children, so I began to scream, the children. And myself and another teacher run back to get the children. In the course of running back to get the children, I got caught on my feet and other parts. Nothing major, but I got caught. And then when we went, the teacher there had already secured the children, and some of the children were under the table sitting. And we were able to move all of them outside into an open space that were considered to be safe.
3 adults sustained minor injuries. Residents say about 5 houses were damaged. A joint investigation by the Manganiel Police and the Portland Fire Department was immediately launched. It was revealed that the explosion came from a 40-foot container, which was being used to ripen bananas and plantains.
I was told that the chemical ethylene was used in the process of ripening the bananas. So that was something that was used in the container, which generates a lot of heat. And there were 2 AC units that used as cooling mechanism for the containers, but one of the AC unit was out of service at the time.
Investigations are continuing. Janella Pursues, TVJ News.